Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
The next gen Tata Tiago. Dual tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger, blind view monitor, bakiway. Tek kumki kaliram, hagador kubajam, taksao point riulak. Just wow.
The all-new Banalari Nexa showroom is now open at Mauyong Rim near ISBT. Explore premium Nexa cars, book your favorite, and take a test drive. Nexa. Create, inspire.
Menteri Rambak Jylla Konrad K. Sangma. Haka arpunriu tarik unailar arja punriu ulaitu baka Sorkar Jylla kadang Buddien banyo yaka jingmenjor naka Sorkar pedeng. Halor ka jing Pyntreikam yaka Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Amendment Bill 2020. Kadba kadang penklan ru yaka jing Pyntreikam yaka MRSSA 2016 ka bala don lupa. Habakran sekilat patai kubor hadin bala wai ke jelang jong ka kenhun menteri. Usangma ula ongru baka Sorkar kadang penkre yaka teknologi ka Pyntreikam lingba ka mobile phone. Ban itu yaki dorkmat kenang ban penjam yaki jingi yaki bami haka ba Pyntreikam yaka an. Ula benrap baka Sorkar kala temuru ban Pyntreikam yaki facilitation center naka benta ki nongwan jengokai pertai kabalong ka we naki kendon jong ka an bala menjur haus nam arjakan rio.
Update on the MRSSA before only. As I said, that there are multiple meetings that have taken place, whether it's at Home Minister level or whether it is at the Home Secretary level or whether it is at the level of Home Secretary and the Chief Secretary level. So there are multiple discussions taking place, and we are very hopeful that we'll be able to take forward the MRSSA 2020 and get it implemented. So we are still waiting. As I said, there are some more issues to be resolved. But in the meantime, what is important is that the current act that is there, we want to ensure that we implement the current provisions of the current act of 2016. So in that, as you're aware, that we have already worked out in multiple locations and multiple, I've given a report in fact yesterday also, multiple locations we have done the registrations, and the Rambashnongs and locality headmen, they have been involved. And the expansion of the implementation of this of the MRSSA is happening as we speak, and we are working out better technology, much more friendly, user-friendly face recognition software and systems which can be accessed on any mobile, which we feel will be further strengthening the implementation and make it very easy for the headmen and locality people to then implement. Otherwise they'll require a laptop, a camera, a person to type, and a room and all those things. So by involving the technology that is available, we should be able to overcome those challenges, because we have about 6,500 villages and localities all over the state. So it is quite a big challenge if you have to give computers and laptops and human manpower and rooms to everybody. So that's the first thing. Second thing, of course, that the facilitation centers, we have already discussed, and we are already moving forward to ensure that the facilitation centers are completed and are activated for the tourists. And that is the second part of the MRSSA, which is a part of the 2016. So these two aspects are things that we are working on, and I'm very sure that we'll be able to move ahead with this.
Nadunay kahit kan.
Bay la tong soy nga dia pagi snil de chit ko.
Ili mem yor aim gini kon me. Pai upon kelas tenu chong. Tangga college stage nem yo.
Le me stage nem le tangga we kon buat. Tito.
Jadi kasi yang kayak bisa orang aing modal.
Oh, bisa.
Pinai wan ai bam sni bam sien ai ta papacho. Families to that means. Right. For the
Ông use nem, vụ coi như khmat đó, vụ tê tàu chan bò rừng khlev.
Bay pass your first division ah.
Kan, pasal kan.
Oh bay.
Congratulations kan.
Thank you bay. Ay,